depends on the cut. When it comes to tenderloin, nice seasoning, get like a nice salt crust on there and sear it in a cast iron skillet if you have one. Really look for the color on top. It forms just like a nice dark brown color. Flip it and then put it in the oven and bring it up to whatever temp you like. Some people like to sear both sides, but I just like having the top seared because it leaves the steak more tender. Now, when we're talking about things like ribeye and New York strips, those are great on the grill. Get nice crisscross markings, flip it over, and cook it to your preferred temperature. Also, if you're cooking something like a flank steak, skirt steak, all these steaks love a great marinade. So you probably want to do that first. When you're making a marinade for the steak, it's always great to have something that will caramelize your steak more. This is obtained by adding something like sugar into your marinade. You're going to notice a great caramelization. And these steaks, again, are going to really benefit by grilling.